Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to download and install FiveM. What is FiveM? Well, it's a modification for GTA V, enabling you to play multiplayer or on customized dedicated servers. This is powered by cfx.re. So this is very simple. FiveM will have some servers like roleplay, zombies, races, everything. So you can press this red button that says download client. So you press it and you read the terms of service and then press sure I agree. Then a download will start soon. If it's not starting, you can press here and you have to save the installer. So you double click it and then you wait to the installation to start. So it will start updating FiveM and then will ask you to choose where the GTA V is located. And if it is on your second disk, for example, as you can see, this is asking me to get my game directory. So if GTA V is in this disk, I can find it here. So you do that, you save it, and once you do that, the game will be installed with FiveM. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. See you next time.